This module will show you how to make CDSS rules. With HEDIS and all these quality measures that practices have to comply with, we have made it easy for you to do so. Please make sure you know what rules you need to add. For example, if your practice keeps track of men over 50 needing a colonoscopy or women over 40 needing a mammography every year, write these on your list. Once ready, click on Office Configurations, click Clinical Decision Support. The top portion displays all the rules that have been created. The bottom portion is the description for each. Click Add. A dialog box appears. We are going to add a rule for any women over 40 to get a mammography once a year in your practice. On this first screen, we're going to click Add. Under Condition, click on the box, click on the drop-down arrow. We will start with the sex, because we want every woman in the practice, so click Sex. Under Operation, we will click Equal To, because we want this criteria to be only women. Under Value, we want to specify the sex as female, so click Female. We also need to make sure that the age is specified, so we click Add. Under Condition, we click Age. Under Operation, we will click Greater Than or Equal To because we want to include the age of 40 and go up from there. The value will be 40, so click in the box and type the number 40. The next part is the mammography and time frame. Click the Add button. Under Condition, we're going to select Periodic HCPCS code. We're selecting this because we want the system to locate specific HCPCS codes within a certain time frame. Under Operation, click Equal To because we want the HCPCS we choose to be exact. Under Value, click on this icon. Search Mammography. Select all that apply and click OK. Next to the HCPCS, we have More Than, which is indicating a time period. Let's say you make sure they do this every year. You would type the number 1 here, click this drop-down arrow, and click Year. Let's review. We wanted a rule that would detect all the women in the practice 40 and over that have not had a mammography in the last year. This is how you would have to break down every rule you wish to make. Click Next. This section is where you would put any exceptions to the rule, such as not wanting any MRA patients on this criteria. You would click Add, and under Condition, click Is MRA. Click Equal To, and click the box under Value. Click Next. The rule action is where you would set up what to do with the information once retrieved. Click Add. Click the drop-down arrow under Action. With this rule, our options would be to ask the patient, tell the patient, or add to SOAP note. I'm going to choose Tell Patient. Click Value. Type what you're going to tell the patient. If you wish to do more with your information, click Add and choose different options. Click Next when done. The rule properties is our last screen. Name your rule. Under Description, key in a brief description. Under Groups to Notify, choose which people in the office can view this information. Remember our module describing how to do our CDSS configuration? Well, this is where it comes into play. If you want this to be preventative, with a severity of high to alert you all the time, then the CDSS configuration will need to be set up that way. Once you have finished, click Save. This brings you back to the first screen. If you need to edit, you can double-click on your selection or click once on your selection and Edit at the top. Make your changes and save. If you wish to delete it, click on it once and click Delete. This concludes our Clinical Decision Support module.